Imagine walking down the street and a crow perched on a wire suddenly starts squawking at you. Just you. A moment later, another one joins in, and then another. It feels personal, right? Well, what if I told you it is? And what if the reason they're angry has nothing to do with what you did today, but something that happened years ago? Welcome to the absolutely wild world of crows, the birds that can remember your face, hold a grudge, and even pass that grudge down to their children. This isn't just a spooky story. It's backed by science. Researchers at the University of Washington conducted a mind-blowing experiment with American crows. They wore a specific, creepy-looking mask while they humanely trapped and tagged the birds. To the crows, that mask became the face of danger. Now, here's where it gets crazy. Long after the trapping was over, whenever a researcher walked around wearing that same mask, the crows went nuts. They started screaming, dive-bombing, and alerting every other crow in the area. They didn't just remember for a few days or weeks. They remembered for years. But how could crows that were never even trapped react the same way? The answer is a little unsettling. The older crows taught them. When a crow who experienced the initial trapping spotted the danger face, it would sound a loud alarm call. The younger crows, seeing the commotion and hearing the warning, learned to associate that specific face with a threat. This information spread through the entire crow community like a piece of generational gossip. Crows have exceptionally advanced brains for their size, with an intelligence level often compared to that of a 7-year-old human. They can solve complex problems, use tools, and, most importantly, recognize and remember individual human faces. This incredible memory is a survival tool. It helps them keep track of who's a friend, who's a foe, and which locations are safe. Their brain-to-body ratio is one of the largest among birds, making them certified geniuses of the animal kingdom. So the next time you see a crow and it seems to be staring right at you, it probably is. It's studying your face, committing it to memory. And if you ever happen to get on its bad side, just remember, that crow won't just hold a grudge against you. It might tell its friends, its kids, and even its grandkids about you for years to come. Thanks for watching, and if you found this fascinating, be sure to like and subscribe for more amazing animal facts.